Hello friends, welcome, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to effectively use the find and replace feature in Word. So first of all, the reason why you would like to use this feature is because you had made a particular repetition of a word that you seem it's not quite ideal using it, and then immediately you realize instead of going over and over again, rereading the document, making changes, you want to do it once instead of wasting all that time. So I think this tutorial is for you. So first we're going to launch the find and replace feature of Word. You can simply do it by pressing Ctrl G. So you click on the find tab, and then you can just easily enter the word you want. If you want to do it manually, well, you can enter the word and click find next, which is this word highlighted, where you can now edit it manually. But if you want Word to do it for you, you want to replace the word at once, you can just simply enter the word manually by the word inexpensive, and then replace it with affordable. Then click replace all. So it just said we have made 2 replacements. Do you want to continue searching from the beginning? Well, maybe yes, maybe no. Click yes, it's the same. So this is the word here. It was inexpensive, we also guarantee you that payments are at inexpensive prices for new students. But now we also guarantee you that payments are at affordable prices for new students. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I did too. Well, please like if you've had a good time, and subscribe to keep on seeing more awesome videos like this, and I'll see you next time.